Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're gonna try to blink multiple LED using just a single push button. Okay, to do that, what we need is an Arduino, breadboard, resistor, LEDs, and some jumper wires. Okay, let's start with push button. I say managing the push button isn't easy at all. Oh, I'm so I'm struggling with the push button, but I think it's will work. Okay, right. Mm. Okay, this is uh, this is the GND. This is the GND. This leg goes uh to 5 volts. This is for the 5 volts. The next one, this leg goes to pin number 2. Very good. Now let's go for the LEDs. This is okay. Uh, the red one on. Finally, the blue LED. This is the blue LED. Okay. Don't forget the resistor. This is for the GND. This is the short leg of the LED. This is also the short leg of the LED. On the short leg of the LED. Mm. Okay, right. Uh, Now the red one. Sorry. Um, Okay, let's okay. Word digital pin number, let's say uh number 10, the green one, long leg, digital pin number 9 on digital pin long leg or long leg, digital pin number 8, digital pin number 8. Right, perfect. Let's go now for the code. Oh, sorry. Uh, don't forget the GD. Okay, this is the GNG. Right, to the GNG. Okay, perfect. Let's go for the code now. Everything is ready for the second. Right. We start here by by defining our leg. This is const, let's say o int uh let's say where led is initialized to 8. Okay, const uh int um let's say uh when uh led is initialized to 9, const int blue led is digital pin number 10. uh the first state of the button is int button state, and after that int, the last state of our push button is button state. Actually, the button is low. Okay, currently, sorry, currently the button is low. Here via int led state is initialized to 0. Perfect. Now let's go for the setup function. Here you have pin, sorry, pin mode or button pin. This is the input button. Pin mode. Uh, this is this is the white LED. This is an output. Let's do the same thing with the other pin of LED. This is okay. We copy, paste, and paste. This is green LED. This is blue LED. Very good. Let's go now for the void loop. Uh, Here we say that the bottom state is initialized to digital Here we read the bottom state, we read the bottom state. If it is pressed or not, this is the bottom pin. It is we didn't initialize the bottom pin. Here we have const int bottom pin, it is 2. Okay, so we copy this and we pass it here. Very good. If we press the button, so if button state is high, and the last uh, button state is low, then uh, the LED state is incremented by 1. If the LED state is superior to, let's say, to 3, then uh, LED state is 0. That means that if they press the button say more than 3 times, then all the LED turn off. Sorry, all the LED turn off. Sorry, turn off. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So digital, let's say digital right. Uh, the right LED state is 1. Digital right. Uh, the green LED state is 2. The digital right. Blue LED state receive 3. Let's add also a delay time. This is 200 millisecond. The delay time is in millisecond. Okay. So the last bottom state is then the bottom state. Let's verify the code. An error here. If okay. Oh, sorry, here. Verify again the code. Very good. Okay. Let's connect the Arduino to the computer. Upload the code. Perfect. 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 On. 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 And off. On. on, on, and off. Okay, so uh, that's all. And if you want to read the code, I will put it in my GitHub so that you can download it or you can copy it and pass it in your uh, Arduino IDE. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you love it. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye bye.